terms of the weather headlines for this evening, we're going to be quiet for this evening, although we'll start to see some of those temperatures steadily increasing, especially as we get into later in the evening. Although rain and wind coming in for your Monday, early morning showers is what we're going to be tracking. I'd say between 6 and 10 o'clock in the morning. Then we'll start to see winds increase by the afternoon for our Monday with falling afternoon temperatures. We have an impact day set for not only Monday, but also your Tuesday for those strong winds persisting. Those gusts, folks, could be reaching up to 50 miles per hour with feels like temperatures by Tuesday, feeling like they're going to be into the teens. So in terms of the planner for this evening, temperatures remain steady for now, right into the lower 30s, but then we'll begin to rise late under overcast conditions. Then we'll see some cloudy conditions, but I want to point out the temperature trend here. 34 to 46 degrees. I put a little arrow right there to kind of signify these temperatures are going to be trending up, as you can see the third line there in our graphic. So as a warm front continues to push through, those temperatures are going to be getting mild. We'll be getting up to the 50s by tomorrow morning. And as you can see, that's going to be our daytime highs. But then once we get to the afternoon, once you leave work tomorrow, it's going to be into the 30s. You're going to want to make sure you're packing that jacket. Don't let this range fool you. This is going to be our high temperatures for the morning. But then once we get into the afternoon, down to the 30s and turning windy. That's going to be the other story as we get into our afternoon tomorrow. Gusts could get to 50 miles per hour for the afternoon. Now, almanac for the day today hit a high of 33. Usual high for this time of the year is 40 degrees, so about 7 degrees below average. But in terms of earlier this morning's lows are right around 29 degrees. 26 is what we expect for this time of the year. Only had about 1/100th of an inch of rain recorded at Harrisburg International Airport. But here's the temperatures at this time. Into the 30s in Lancaster, Lebanon, Harrisburg, 37 in Gettysburg. We can see the temperature trend here. Don't pay so much attention to the wind chill here, more so of this temperature line overnight tonight. We're into the 30s now for this evening, getting into early tonight. Then we get up to the mid 40s by the time we get to 7 a.m., closer to about 8 and 10 o'clock in the morning. That's when we'll start to see temperatures approaching the 50-degree mark. Current winds out of the south, I'd say between 5 and 10 miles per hour generally. You got about a 12-mile-per-hour breeze in Lancaster. But look at this as we get into tomorrow. Look at this. Pausing the clock here right around 7 a.m. It's going to be a little bit breezy. You see, I'd see between 10 and 15 miles per hour. But then once we get into the afternoon, look at this, up to the 20-mile-per-hour range. And these are sustained winds, folks. Now let's talk about the gusts. Look at these gusts, up to almost 50 miles per hour by the time we get to 12 noon for Monday. It's certainly going to be a windy day for tomorrow, and also the wind chills, they'll start to go down as we get into the afternoon and also into the evening. Look at this, feeling like the lower 20s, even though the air temperatures are into the lower 30s, so about at least a 10-degree difference there. Wind alerts, though, we do have a wind advisory going in effect from 7 a.m. Monday through 12 p.m. Tuesday for the entire Susquehanna Valley, as you can see here, and that's why we have impact days set for both Monday and Tuesdays for the sustained winds between 15 to 25 miles per hour, gusting to 40 to 45 to 55 miles per hour potentially. Definitely could see some scattered branches, some power outages, and you're going to want to make sure, I would do it this evening, all right? Do it now. If you happen to have a spare trash bin that's sitting outside, or if you have anything loose sitting outside, you're going to want to make sure you bring that stuff in preparation for Monday and Tuesday. So seeing that last bit of showers beginning to move out, we'll continue to see those showers move out. Then here comes that warmer air overnight tonight. Then here comes the cold front. That's going to bring just along and ahead of that cold front these showers to move through. There we go. That gives us a brief shot of a few showers. Then here comes the cold front. The story of the day, windy and colder. I would not be surprised if we see, because of how strong that northwesterly flow is, might see a couple lake effect light snow showers for our far northwestern communities as we get into our Monday and Tuesday. But looking ahead into New Year's, look at this. Already 2026 coming up for your Thursday. Chance of some light snow for your Thursday, then it's still brisk and cold for Friday into the weekend, guys. Back to you.